Hi, I am Katie Gray, and I'm going to be talking to you today about Center 2, which are the Getaway Skits. So when it is the time for ELF, you will get your box out of the closet, or your ELF coordinator will get it for you. And in this box, we have these signs, which are character signs that each student will hang around their neck to identify what character they are in the skits. There is also an outline, which is going to explain everything that you need to know to run the station. And then in this station, we also have the Getaway Skit scenarios. So in this station, we will have students acting out predator and prey skits or scenarios. There's a lot of different ways that you can do it, and you can kind of decide what works best for your class, depending upon the age of the students and the number of people in your groups. So for instance, there is the polar life skit scenario. It says seal swims, chases fish, then comes up out of the hole in the ice for air. The seal goes back down, polar bear comes along and waits by the hole. The next time seal comes up, polar bear takes a big swipe, just misses seal, and seal dives back down into the water. So you have seal, school of fish, and a polar bear. And you can have multiple fish if you need extra students. You're welcome to do more than one skit for each group, or just focus on one skit. So here is the polar life set. It's gonna have the character signs in them to hang around the student's neck. And all of these are going to match the predator, the prey that are in station 3. So the kids will be familiar with each sort of type of prey that we're going to go over. One way that you can do this is that each group that you have, because you will have about 5 groups rotating through, can do a different scenario. Just practice that different scenario over and over. And then at the end, you can have everybody perform their skits for the class. That's one way that it would work. If that's a way that you want to do it, you need to talk to your coordinator about that so we can make sure that the timing works so that there's time for everyone to perform at the end. Another way you can do it is break it up and have 2 different groups and different people performing different skits and then perform it for each other. You can just have them perform it for you. It's really up to you what feels right for your age and for your group. So the little kids are probably going to need more help having you sort of direct them and then acting it out. And maybe the older kids who can read can have a little bit more autonomy to do their own thing. So really just have fun with it. Do what works best for your group. And if you are going to perform it at the end, just make sure that that's something that's sort of decided beforehand, before the day starts. So get creative and have fun.